What if I told you there's only one company in the entire world that supplies the most vital piece of equipment for a sport at the Winter Olympics? You'd probably have some questions, so let me spell it out for you. So this is how curling stones are made and why only one company makes Olympic-grade curling stones. The sport of curling is named after the movement a stone makes at the end of a throw, a slight curl. In its inception, players would select the shape and weight of the stones they wanted based on preference, and the sport was played outside. The small pebbles on a sheet of curling ice are made to mimic the natural deposits of snow and contours of an outdoor rink and help the stone travel down the sheet. For more on how curling ice is made and maintained, be sure to check out our video on just that. Now though, curling stones are made to look and weigh within certain regulations. Specifically, stones must weigh between 38 and 44 pounds, including their handle, and measure a maximum of 36 inches in circumference or 29.1 centimeters in diameter, and a minimum of 11.43 centimeters in height. And even more specifically, at the Olympics and at most high-level curling competitions, stones are manufactured by one company based in a small town in Scotland, Kay's Curling. It uses two types of granite from a small island off the country's coast called Ailsa Craig. Ailsa Craig. In Gaelic, that translates to fairy rock. And Kay's Curling is the only manufacturer licensed to harvest granite there, handcrafting the stones from their workshop in Mauchline, Ayrshire. Ailsa Craig has two rare varieties of microgranite, which both contain a mineral called ribachite. These granites are called Ailsa Craig Common Green Granite and Ailsa Craig Blue Hone Granite, which is of higher quality than the green. These specific types of granite are used because their unique molecular composition makes them resistant to cold, water, and external force, all things that are key to curling. They are the densest and thus most water-resistant granites in the world. To do so, slabs of granite are inspected and cut into cylinders or cheeses, then shaped by machines operated by experienced stone masons. The body of Ailsa Craig Common Green Granite is then fitted with a running band of Ailsa Craig Blue Hone Granite, because it is most resistant to wear against water and ice. The granites are harvested about once a decade, the last time in 2020, and only done in September and November to avoid bird mating season because Ailsa Craig is home to a wildlife sanctuary for seabirds, including gannets, puffins, and kittiwakes. Before you get worried that we're gonna run out of these granites though, fret not. According to Kay's Curling, they harvest approximately 600 to 700 tons of granite every decade, so like the weight of 4 to 5 great blue whales, and it is estimated Ailsa Craig has about 680 million tons of granite. That means they're harvesting 0.0001% of material every decade. As you may imagine, this does not make production cheap. Each stone costs $600 USD, or approximately 830 Canadian, which makes a full set of 16 stones come in at 9,600 USD, or 13,000 Canadian dollars. So when you're watching the gold medal curling game, you can be certain that the stones are uniform, free from imperfections, and made of high quality Ailsa Craig granites. I'm Kel, this is Spelled Out. Thank you so much for watching. For more great content like this, be sure to follow along, and I'll see you next time.